Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome class 8 in your computer class. I hope you all have understood whatever I have taught you in your previous class. How to set a relationship between tables, how to create a query, and how to run a query, and how to save it. I hope you all have understood all these things. Now today I'm going to teach you how to add criteria to the query and what are reports and what are forms. So to add criteria to the query, first is to extract data from a table by adding a criteria to the query. Suppose you have a product table. In this table you can see that there are fields like product ID, product, brand, price, right? And you wanted the list of product ID and product whose prices is greater than 2000 and less than 5000. You wanted the list of only those names, only those products. So what you will do, first click on the create tab, click on the query design option to open the show table dialog box, then select the product table and click on the add button. This you all have done. I have told you in your previous class all these steps. Now double click on the product ID, product, price fields to add them to the query pane. Now what you have to do, you have to type this. As you can see in the design pane, under the price field, you can see that it is written greater than 2000 and less than 5000. You have to type this in the criteria text box of the price field. You can see here that this is criteria text box and this is written in the price field. Okay. Now after this, what you have to do, click on the run option on the design tab and to execute the query, and your output will be displayed like this. Here you can see that there is only a list of those products whose price is greater than 2000 and less than 5000. This is how you add criteria in the query. Next is forms. A form is used to enter, edit and display data from the tables in an easy to understand format. You can choose the fields to be displayed in the form. To create a form, what you have to do, you have to select the table. I am selecting customer table. Then click on the create tab and then form, and then save the form. Click on the save button and then click on OK. The data entries of the table will be displayed in a form, as you can see here. Now click on the new record button located in the navigation pane and enter the data in a form. After entering the data, select that table again and then click on the refresh all button in the record group. The new data entry will be automatically updated in the table. Next is reports. Reports are created to organize and present data in a user-friendly format. You must have seen report cards in school that help to view and evaluate your yearly performance. Similarly, Access uses reports to present table data in an easy to read format. To create a report, select the table and then click on create tab, and then click on report to open a report for the table. Now you will see some additional tabs appears under the report layout tool. You can use the format tab for formatting your report. You can resize the fields. You can see that these yellow blocks are here, so you can resize these fields by dragging the corners of this orange outlines around them.